Hi, my name is Samantha Campbell. I'm a CNC programmer at Precision Edge Surgical Products. I'd like to take you through a day in my normal life here, show you a little bit about what exactly a CNC programmer does, and show you some of our machines.
So this is my workstation. I spend the majority of my day in this vicinity. The entire shop comes to me when they need help with either grinding or etching. So programming is a really fun job, but it basically starts with an engineer coming to me and bringing me a print that I now have to turn into a program. We have to figure out how we make everything from start to finish. The considerations that I have to put into it are what tooling to use, how the machine's going to work, how the operator is going to load the parts. So really from start to finish, programming controls the process. So this is a laser etch. I'm part of a team of many programmers, and so my specific focus is either laser etching or grinding. The laser etch for us is a specific process where we take our stainless steel parts and we put a permanent mark onto them that either is a calibration line for the doctors to use when they're using the instruments, or it can be just simple as identifying a part. So basically what I do is I take a part, and after I've already done all of the programming, the laser etcher runs and it uses a laser beam focusing on the part to bring up the carbon. So etching can be as simple as putting in a flat sheet and getting out your etch, or you can have more complicated parts that require more fixturing, and so a programmer has to figure all of that out before the parts ever hit the shop floor. And then we also have to do the program, which for that involves dealing with graphics, and that also involves dealing with different types of laser settings. You have to know a little bit about laser science, otherwise you're not going to get a clear mark. So this is a CNC grinder. Basically, from a programming standpoint, I start at the very beginning. I determine what tooling actually gets put into the machine, including the grinding wheels. And then I load up the program here. And we're going to walk it through a dry run. So grinding is a little more complicated than just saying, hey, use these tools and hey, use these wheels. You actually have to put thought into the material that you're grinding, what wheels you have, speeds and feeds. There's a lot of stuff that goes into determining exactly how we do it, which also includes keeping a really large inventory of different wheels and tooling to use. And part of my responsibility as a programmer isn't just to say, hey, use this program, hey, use this tooling, hey, use these wheels. I actually have to keep that inventory of the wheels, which with our numerous grinding machines in the shop, that ends up being a really large amount of grinding wheels and tooling to keep in stock. So we're constantly being pulled from doing this and troubleshooting this to, oh hey, I need this wheel, oh hey, I need this. If you enjoy being busy all day long and you really love helping other people solve problems, programming is a great job for you. So once you actually make a part, programmer's job is also to consider how you're going to get a good part. You can't just say, hey, this is totally what I was trying to make and send it out the door. You have to do a little more work. So what we do is we take the parts and we inspect them with different types of measurement equipment. So for instance, this is a TM scope. We use this for the smaller parts and anything that we really need good optics on. It magnifies, and there's angle measurements and length and width measurements. We use things like calipers. So this is a really basic measurement device, but it's very useful. We use micrometers that are also pretty integral to the different grinding operations. So come take a walk with me and we will go check out all the other equipment that we use throughout the shop. This machine is 100% automated. It takes a part in a fixture here, and between the two lights it measures it. This is also a CNC. This automated measurement device uses a CNC program, a very basic one, to take a finished part and load it into the opticals and check to make sure it's good. This machine is an optical measurement device that we can use both with a CNC program and manually. We take the part and we fixture it there. We can go up to the screen, we can program it to see different features and to have different comments pop up, instructions for the operator. So that's a brief overview of my day. There are so many things that you can't encapsulate in a short video, however. So just know, if you really love challenges and an ever-changing job, this might be it for you.